Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is very important because as you know, gaming is now a big industry in digital world. So there are different YouTube channels, Facebook gaming pages, Instagram gaming pages. They all need a logo, best gaming logo for their page, for their digital asset. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create a best gaming logo in Canva within 2 to 3 minutes and easily sell this on $10, $20, 30, even 50. So let's get started without further ado, and I will teach you this skill. So click the search bar and write here logo. So click on the logo. The logo size is 500 by 500 pixels. So we will make this this logo from scratch. So click on create a blank logo. So it is loaded. After that, first of all we have to change the we have to select the name of the brand. So I go to Google and search here name generator. namegenerator.org.uk. Click on this site and you just have to Instagram name. Okay, game and mail suggest. So and I think this website is not so good, so I again go to Google and I write here business name generator. Yeah, this site is good. I click on this site and it is loading. Wait for some seconds. It is loaded. After that, give your niche keyword. So I write here gaming. Get started and it will generate different gaming ideas. So I select one of them, Titan Gaming. I like this one. So Titan Gaming is our brand name. After that I again go to Canva and let's go to element and I want to search here Titan graphics. Yeah, it's look good. That's it. After that we have to add a text. We have to add some fancy text. Yeah, this look good. And let's gaming and so so I want to change the background color like red, sorry, black. It's look good. And now I want to change the text color. This look good in red. Yeah, and the first one look good in yellow. So that's it. This is a good gaming logo. So in this way you can make a gaming logo within 2 to 3 minutes on Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn from this skill. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.